evening, everyone. So today I'm just doing a little tutorial on my HP Insta ink. I received it in the mail today. It comes in this little tiny little box, really cute, nice and brown with the little black logo. My printer here is a HP Envy 5660. Can be used to print, scan, copy, and to print photos. It's pretty awesome. It connects by Wi-Fi to your computer and internet. And I'll show you how to go online and get connected. So I went online and signed up to the HP Insta Ink website, and I logged in, and here it shows my HP Envy 5660E all-in-one printer series. It shows that I'm online since I've already turned on my printer and have it connected to the internet. 0 pages used so far and 0 rolled over. I haven't even inserted the ink yet, so we shall see what happens next. I'll go ahead and open up the box and see what kind of things go on. Here's our box review. I opened up the package, and here it shows us 2 different cartridges for us. And let's see, one seems to be a colored one, and then we have another one here which is a black. Perfect. And let's see the instructions here. It says, now your new ink has arrived. How are these cartridges special? These cartridges have more ink than an XL HP ink cartridge. Since they have more ink, you won't have to replace them as often, and you won't receive a new cartridge every month. You will be saving money in every page you print. Awesome. Stay connected. Access your account online. Yada, yada, yada. Come on, where's my ink? Here's a little comparison. This is the HP ink I purchased from a local store, and it is a lot smaller than the one they sent me. So here's the one that they sent me, and they say that they make it bigger so that way it's less cartridges being sent, and they know how many pages you're using each month. So comparing the two, it is a big difference. But reuse, reduce, and recycle. So we shall see how this goes. They do send you a little return envelope here, so that way you can go ahead and mail back the empty cartridges when it's time. And then they'll resend you the new ones. So it's pretty awesome. Here is our new ink here that we're gonna insert. Push that one in, seems to fit good. I'll do the next one here. Here goes our other one. Looks like that's all done. The cover door must be closed, of course. And remove and reinstall the indicated ink cartridge. Make sure it's correctly installed and then touch OK. So apparently I put it in wrong. So let me go ahead and put the camera down and I'll try it again. But thanks for letting me know. I connected everything and I refreshed my page. It says as of today, December 30th. And now this info changed here. So my monthly summary is from December 30th to January 29th. And the amount charged so far is 0. I have 15 pages to use, which is the free plan. I went cheap on this because I need to double check that this works. And then I actually use 15 or more pages a month. Pretty cool. So here are the different plans available. I chose light printing. It's free for up to 15 pages, and each additional set of 10 pages for just $1. So I find it convenient for me because I'm not going to be doing that many printing pages, and so there's a different variety ones for everybody, from your family. If you're doing a bunch of essays or you're going to be printing a lot, you can go up to the frequent printing, which is $9.99 for up to 300 pages. So there's something for everyone. You just have to find the right one. Now I'm going to print out a splash mounted photo for my son's t-shirt. I'm printing it on printable heat transfer vinyl, which once it's dried, I'm going to iron it onto a t-shirt for my son for our Walt Disney World trip coming up in a few weeks. Here I am going to hit print. And let's see. I went ahead and loaded the image already. And it's starting to print now. Let's see how good it is. Drum roll. Here is my first printout using our new HP Insta ink. It looks fabulous. As you can see here, right now it still says 05 used. And I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my page. And 015 used. So I guess I didn't recognize that I used one page. Oh, there it is. I went ahead and refreshed a couple more times. 1 of 15 used. So I already used one page up. 14 left until January 29th. Hopefully I can make it till then. I need to do a couple more printouts for our trip and make sure everything's good. So hopefully you found this easy. If you have any more questions or you want make any comments, let me know. This is my first time making a little video. I just thought I'd like to share all the little ins and outs of new things that I try out. Have a wonderful, happy new year!